Hey guys, today I'm leaving the park. It's the one set vlog, but it's a short vlog. No one is here, but the best thing over here that my grandma come from Jordan. So I don't think so if it will be. I mean, it's gonna be a short vlog, I think. So yeah, but this is what we're doing. Right now I'm walking to my grandpa house. Right over there. It's like amazing thing to see your grandma coming. I think it's gonna be 2-minute vlog. I'm sorry. So don't know what's gonna happen. My uncle is coming, but we're leaving the part right over there. See? But okay, my uncle is coming. I will tell you why I wasn't more letting sit down more and play like this more, because my uncle is coming. It's flipping coming. So that's why we're gonna make it. When I'm gonna go to the door, I'm gonna stop this vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna make a vlog, more vlogs. So please subscribe and like and comment what you want to see. So bye.